Alright, practicing some social distancing and also testing some saw. Today we're going to the forest and have a little snowmobile ride and see if we can find some branch to cut and test 3 of our saw. We got the chainsaw, the manual one, we got the sub that we have in our shovel, and we have a hunting knife with a saw on it. So we're gonna test these 3 and tell you what's the best to bring on your snowmobile adventure. So let's have some fun. I guess it's lunchtime. After encountering that moose, no choice but to stop and take it easy and eat my lunch. It's a beautiful day. I'm taking my social distance like I should, and I'm super happy about it. Nice lunch, beautiful place, time to go.
We found our first victim.
The chainsaw, the manual one, kind of cool, full compact. You have to do it exactly like with a real chainsaw. You have to fell it on the right side, because if you have to remember that you're putting pressure and you have pressure on the tree while it's failing. So if you cut under and it has a downforce, it will squeeze on your blade. So you go on the top of it if it's going down, and you will be able to saw your way out. Pretty cool little blade, very compact. It's not the fastest, but it will cut, and it's definitely not a showstopper because it's so small. You can have it in your pocket all the time. It's very easy to carry. I will recommend it.
Alright, we found our next victim.
The shovel blade. The shovel blade is a yes and a no. Yes, because you carry your shovel around, so do you need to get it out? It's fast, convenient, cut fast. The only thing is, it's soft. It's not heavy duty. It's not gonna last if you use it at all. So it must be used as a safety tool when you really need it. If you are cutting brush to open a trail, not the right saw for you. That one is a bit sturdier, and it's the end saw that you can build up and you carry. These are usually stronger. They have different toothing, so if you can get one that has nice tooth, it will cut fast. It's hard. It's gonna last you longer than your shovel saw, and it's gonna be very compact to carry too. All right. I'm Pierre from Pierre's Adventure. Thank you for being with us. If you're interested in the stuff we feature in this video, go see your MSD dealer, because that chainsaw is sold by MSD in Canada. And for the shovel blade, it's an FXR. I really love that shovel, though there is some improvement that can be made to it, so we're might see it in the next video. All right, thanks you folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Before we go, I have to say thank you to Sled Magazine to letting me ride this cool machine that is the RMk Khaos, and thanks to Polaris. So, all right, see you in the next one.